know more things than other students at other universities. It can be, for example, about the banking union. They give you a lot of information about it, about recent topics, what you miss at an ordinary university, and what you really need in your future job.
After the financial crisis, we needed to change fundamentally the way corporate finance and banking is taught. Rather than just teaching best practice, we needed to teach how best practice changes if circumstances change. For example, it's relatively straightforward to teach a valuation course, but it's challenging to teach it in a way such that students understand what the explicit and implicit assumptions underlying these models are, and if the environment changes, how the assumptions behind these models should also adjust. The Corporate Finance and Banking program is built around a set of core courses that deliver key skills in corporate finance and banking. This is corporate valuation, where people learn how to value companies. This is corporate financial management, where people talk about capital structure, dividend policies, all the important financial decisions that decision makers have to make. But we also add to that banking courses, commercial and investment banking. And on the side to this, we have a set of courses that deliver auxiliary skills, such as financial econometrics, where students learn how to deal with big data sets, run regressions, and apply that then in a corporate finance and banking context, but also accounting, because at the end, if you work in finance, you need to have a very good knowledge about financial accounting.
I chose for the Corporate Finance and Banking program here at Duisenberg School of Finance for 3 reasons. The first one is the Career Resource Center. So we get excellent career guidance here. We are really prepared for the job market, which is very unique. The second reason is the fly-in faculty. Basically, all courses are taught by professors from all over the world, which means that we get taught by the top experts in their fields. And the third reason is the very strong finance background in this program. We really get to understand the underlying systems and also learn how to think in those systems. So we're not only able to solve today's problems, but also problems that will arise in the future.
One of the nice things is that classroom settings are such that we have small groups. It's really a dialogue. Students can interrupt, ask questions. We do a lot of exercises in class. So it's a very lively and I think therefore also a very deep learning experience. When you design a program, it's good to be convinced that the content is right, but at the end you want to put it to a market test. And what we're very proud and happy with is that our students get outstanding placements in the real sector. If I look at the last 5-6 years, we have students placed at prestigious firms such as Goldman Sachs, Morgan Stanley, JP Morgan, at the leading Dutch banks, ABN AMRO, ING and alike, but also among private equity houses, both internationally and locally, and in the corporate sector.
Because of that in-depth knowledge that you come, you can bring something additional to the company you get to work for. That makes it a year which is very valuable for yourself and for your career.